30 years ago, we set out to solve one big problem in the garage door industry. Garage door rollers were built with cheap materials and exposed bearings, leading to constant maintenance or replacement, and resulted in unnecessary door damage and downtime, especially in areas where they're exposed to wet, dirty, or corrosive conditions, and where doors are used continuously like car and truck washes and other high cycle applications. Let's face it, it doesn't matter what business or industry you're in. If your garage doors don't operate properly because of malfunctioning hardware, you're losing money. And that's why at American, we spent a lot of time and energy to create what we and tens of thousands of our customers regard as the absolute best roller in the market, the Magnum. The Magnum is not only designed to handle the worst conditions possible, but it's engineered to handle the punishment of doors where constant and repetitive use is just a matter of fact. At the time we developed the Magnum, we specifically designed the product to handle those door applications that were exposed to a lot of moisture and high usage. After a time of producing these though, it didn't take us very long to realize that this was hands down the best roller ever made, and not just for those demanding conditions either. Our customers were so delighted that when they added them to their doors, the Magnum Roller became the roller solution for any high quality door install, retrofit, or repair project. You know what? 30 years later, the Magnum Roller is still the very best garage door roller money can buy, and it's still the industry favorite when it comes to any door project that needs more than what any other cheap, noisy, and mass-produced foreign commercial steel roller could ever offer you. Today, I'm going to go over what makes the Magnum garage door roller so special and why you should consider it for your next new retrofit or door repair project. Unlike other commercial door designs that have an open and exposed raceway that rusts, becomes damaged, fills up quickly with dirt, sand, and other elements, the Magnum's patented design includes a precision double-sealed bearing that keeps lubrication in and keeps moisture, dirt, gravel, and other contaminants out. This creates years of smooth and dependable service of your overhead door. The bearings themselves are lubed for life with a special grease and fill, and they're completely maintenance-free. Due to their integrated cage-type design, the Magnum bearings have an excellent load rating, making them ideal for just about any door weight, including those extra heavy doors that seem to eat up those commercial steel rollers like nothing. Magnum roller bearings are engineered to roll easily too, allowing safe, reliable, and unrestricted door movement, and they're a great choice for just about any door size or any type of application, including high-end carriage house doors that we all love. Magnum rollers use an ultra-high molecular weight or UHMW polyethylene plastic tire, which is designed to shield and protect the sealed bearing itself from exposure to moisture, dirt, and debris. This plastic itself is super wear, water, and chemical resistant, and that's one of the features that really makes Magnums ideal for areas where there's a lot of abrasive materials or dirt in the air like mining, concrete plants, or places where there's a lot of moisture or chemicals like car, truck, trailer, or other types of vehicle washes. We've found that this material choice for the Magnum really quiets these doors down as well. When Magnum rollers travel through the track as the door opens and closes, they're unbelievably quiet. So they're also very popular in areas where sound deadening is important, like hospitals or apartment complexes, and other places where excessive noise can really be an issue. All Magnum roller stem assemblies are manufactured with tough, rust-resistant 304 stainless steel for maximum strength and corrosion resistance. Each roller stem includes an integrated collar that assists with proper track and door alignment in the field, and our roller stems are offered in both short and long stem versions for single or double end style doors, and they fit just about every national brand overhead door model or hinge design that exists. Magnum rollers are offered in 2 diameters to fit standard 2-inch or 3-inch track, but we've made a number of custom tire diameters, stem lengths, and diameters to meet specific customer needs. If you have a similar situation, please let us know and we'll be happy to create a custom Magnum solution for your specific roller needs. Throughout the years, our team here at American Garage Door Supply has made some great improvements along the way to keep the Magnum rollers the best roller in the market. In addition to more than doubling the strength of the whole assembly with our new rotary forming process, our recent snap lock tire design eliminates the need for snap rings and has increased the product's useful life exponentially, creating a much better product for you. Magnum rollers have certainly evolved and are now offered in 2 different models with different bearing material types. Our original Magnum, an all-time favorite, features our original sealed bearing with stock bearing material, and now our Magnum Supreme, or SP for short, features a rust-resistant all stainless steel material for extra toughness and the durability that's needed in those extra corrosive conditions. The Supremes are available in all the standard sizes and diameters like all of our Magnum models, and they can be purchased individually, in kits, or in bulk to suit your needs. As you can see, Magnum garage door rollers' innovative design, advanced engineering, and superior materials make these rollers one of the very best choices you can make for your door system. They're durable, dependable, quiet, maintenance-free, and they're American-made. Would you like to learn more about our Magnum rollers, what applications they work best in, or what sizes will best fit your project? Check out our website or give us a call and let us show you why American's roller and other specialized door hardware are the best in the business. Thanks for joining us. Hope to see you soon.